Abigail, we're almost there, Abby. We're almost there. We had to celebrate by ourselves. Can you believe it? Abby, one more. 100,000, Abby, it's 100,000.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring the sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
Hey, what are you doing right now? You're in a meeting? Check your phone. Look at your phone. Okay, call me back. Hey, what are you doing right now? You're in the chicken coop? Check your phone. Go to our YouTube channel, check your phone. Call me back. Alright, bye.
Look, Princess Peeps, we just hit 100,000 subscribers on Fathering Autism. Woo! Oh, yeah! Woo! Woo!
Okay, that's not what actually happened, but we wanted to play around with it, have fun. You know, we're trying to plan something out, and nothing ever works out as it should. As you know, is typical for our family. We had a million things going on, and we were all in different places at different times, and all three of us were actually driving in different locations when we hit 100,000. But here's what really happened.
Woo! Woo! Abby! Abby, we hit 100,000! We hit 100,000! Oh my gosh! We hit 100,000, Abby! Are you so excited? I'm so excited, Abby! Are you so excited? Oh my goodness! Holy cow! Oh, I'm driving. This is dangerous. I gotta go. Holy cow!
We're actually all three here now. I picked up Priscilla like 30 minutes after we hit 100,000, so we just missed it. We could have been together for.
Teary-eyed.
Oh, don't get teary-eyed yet. We haven't even said thank you yet. We just wanted to say thank you guys so much. We're not closing it yet. Hold on, we're not ready. Thank you guys so much for your support on the road to 100,000. Now, what's the next stop, Abby? What, a million? We're doing a million? Candy. We're doing candy. You can go. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your support, and you're awesome and you're amazing, and we love you guys so much. So many of you sent us. Don't cry, you made me cry. So many of you sent us messages, and of course, send us messages and little videos that you took of us hitting 100,000. I know a bunch of people unsubscribed, then they want resubscribe to try to be that 100,000th subscriber. So if that's you, comment down below. But I just want to say thank you guys. We love you.
Yep, we do. Thanks to my PTA ladies for putting up with me this week, and I kept talking about, I'm like, oh my gosh, we're almost there, guys. I had all kinds of people
kept checking her phone, and
oh, they were so awesome. So, and you guys, oh, you're amazing. Like, look at all this awareness. That's what these numbers mean.
yep.
That's awareness. So,
Congratulations.
thanks, you too.
Love you.
Love you too.
Abby, come here.
Can I have a hug?
Give Mama a hug because she's home.
Can we have a
Give her a
hug?
big hug. Love you.
Thank you. Are you so excited?
Congratulations.
Put your arms up. Woohoo! We're so excited.
I was so excited I didn't even get a good video of you in the car, and you were so excited.
She really was.
Super excited.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next video is not going to make any sense because it's a day behind. Okay? So just so that Priscilla's not home yet as far as the vlogs are concerned. But you got it. Alright guys.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.